So guys, so today I'm going to get about CoinCola, the peer-to-peer platform where you can buy, sell your bitcoins, ETH, you know, whatever cryptocurrency you want, and you could, you know, pay through fiat currencies like your naira, CDs, but also like swap your gift cards for bitcoins. That's like sell your gift cards for bitcoins. It's like very easy. The best part right now is CoinCola is running a promotion. Yeah, so everybody gets to win. It's a win-win for everybody. The amazing news, CoinCola is offering promotion, some lovely, crazy, amazing promotion, both for new and existing users. So for the new users, all you have to do is register through a referral link and get 5 coupons, which is equivalent to $100 in crypto. And then for the old users, you know, you get to invite people or refer people to use CoinCola and then get 100% off their trading commission for the first month, and then subsequently for a lifetime you get 40% off the trading commission of whoever you invite to use CoinCola. So in the end, everybody gets to win. You know, the new users get $100, you know, that's 5 coupons, and then the old users, you know, get percentages of trading commissions of whoever they invite. So why not, you know, just invite somebody and trade? How hard could it be? It's that easy. It's no stress. It's hassle free.